Hi, I'm Chloe. I'm the community manager at Hum, and this month's box is extra dreamy because we are celebrating the launch of our latest product, Mighty Night. This is my favorite box. I think I say that every time, but I really love this box. It's our spacey, dreamy themed box, and we are super excited about it. So inside, you will find our normal pamphlet, but inside we are talking about better beauty sleep. We all need it. And then, to make it extra special, we are giving you a 3-night sample of Mighty Night. Mighty Night is our overnight skin cell renewal and sleep supplement. So to make this even more special, we are hosting a little giveaway for you guys. One lucky winner will win a bottle of Mighty Night and 3 Hum Selects of your choice. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below with any questions you have about skin cell renewal or sleep. Sweet dreams.